Real estate vs stock market in 2022. Over the past 10 years, Americans have started to favor real estate over other avenues of investing. A recent survey conducted by Gallup found that 41% of Americans think real estate is the best long-term investment. Real estate's ability to generate passive income, provide a tax shelter, build equity, and offer diversification is finally being appreciated by the masses. Yet despite the majority of Americans favoring this asset class, it can still be an intimidating one to start investing in. If you've been putting off real estate investing, these 4 charts will show you why 2022 is the year to start investing. Outpacing inflation and outperforming the stock market. Real estate is an incredible hedge against inflation. As the cost for goods and services increases, so does real estate, often far faster than the rate of inflation. According to the Case-Shiller Home Price Index for the top 20 cities in the United States, home prices have grown over 17% year to date. If you compare that to today's inflation rate of 7.5%, and the S&P 500 year-to-date return of -8.5%, it's obvious why real estate is a good investment right now. The shortage will take years to rectify. Today's incredible real estate growth isn't an anomaly. It's due to a national housing shortage. According to a report by the White House, using data from the Federal Reserve, housing production has fallen behind population growth for the past 10 years. This has resulted in a notable deficiency in supply despite demand remaining steady. While home builders are working at wits' end to increase supply, it will take years to truly fill the gap. This means despite potential turbulent times in the markets, real estate demand, and likely, price growth, will hold steady in 2022, if not beyond. Historically strong performance. While there is clear opportunity and reason to believe 2022 will be another tremendous year for real estate, there's a lot to be said about its historical performance. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, which are a special type of stock that invests in real estate or real estate securities, have consistently outperformed the S&P 500 on a rolling 20-year period. According to the National Association of Real Estate Investment Trusts, NAREIT, 56% of the time, REITs outperform the S&P 500 on an annual basis. Given the ease and access for investors to purchase shares in REITs, they remain one of the best ways to start investing in real estate today. Where to invest $1,000 right now? Before you consider making any real estate investment, you'll want to hear this. Our team of real estate experts and analysts at The Motley Fool just revealed what they believe are the top 5 best REITs under $49 for individual investors right now. And they're giving the report away for free. Over the last 20 or so years, REITs have consistently outperformed the regular stock market. And with the recent release of our top 5 favorite REIT investments right now, we believe it's an ideal time to get invested. The choice is yours. The good news is that there are a ton of options for investing in real estate in 2022. REITs are likely the easiest and fastest way to diversify your portfolio into this high demand and rapidly growing industry, but they aren't the only way. There are a lot of benefits to owning and managing a real estate investment, such as a rental property. If you have enough time and capital to commit to this method of investing, the payoffs can be very rewarding. No matter how you invest, the key is to start investing now. 10 years down the road, you'll look back and wish you had started sooner.